DJI is getting ready to launch its next robot vacuum, the ROMO 2 on May 11th. The biggest hint so far revolve around navigation and low clearance cleaning. An official video suggests that ROMO 2 can slide under beds and sofa with little space underneath, something that many robot vacuums still struggle to. Another teaser suggests the vacuum can move around objects placed on the floor without bumping into it. This likely points out to improvement in obstacle detection and movement precision. There's a hint at better mopping performance this time around, including quick floor drying after cleaning, though DJ has not given any details about it. DJ only entered the robot vacuum market relatively with the first generation ROMO lineup, which was launched in China last year. Unsurprisingly, the company leaned heavily on its drone experience for things like navigation and sensing. The original ROMO model used a combination of dual fisheye camera and solid-state LiDAR for mapping and obstacle avoidance, helping them move through crowded spaces. Some versions even has a transparent design element, giving it a more futuristic look. On the cleaning side, they advertise a suction power of up to 25,000 PA alongside dual electric robotic arm for edge cleaning and anti-tangle roller brushes aimed at handling long hair more efficiently. The docking station is fairly ambitious, supporting self-cleaning and long maintenance intervals of up to 200 days. It's likely to be built on most of what it was on the ROMO 1. At this point, full specs are still under wrap, but a quick follow-up launch suggests DJI is moving more aggressively in the category. They're trying to position itself against established names like Roborock and EvoVax in the premium segment.